Hey guys, happy Saturday. Bareface D here with you. Just popped out of the shower. I have a clean face. I actually do have my rebalance on my face right now. I'm going to be doing the pore blaster routine because every single year around this time, my skin freaks out because of all the sugar and all the goodness I've had over the holidays. And sure enough, here it goes. And it's always in this area. I'm actually breaking it a little on my nose as well. But I'm going to do the pore blaster routine. And this is something that an esthetician from our community shared using our products. So it's like a deep pore cleanse that I try to do every few months, but it's always necessary this time of year. So you start with the rebalance, put it on your face and leave on for about 10 minutes. Okay, so after 10 minutes, I put our PURIFY Deep Detox mask on over the rebalance. So I did not wash off my cleanser. I put it on over it and I'm going to keep on for another 10 minutes. And if you don't have rebalance, you can use any sort of water-based cleanser, preferably one that has salicylic acid in it. Okay, so I rinsed the rebalance and the PURIFY off with some warm water, and then I followed with our LUMINOUS. So this is an oil-based cleanser. And usually when we double cleanse, we always start with an oil-based cleanser and then finish with a water-based. So we're flipping the script here a little bit. You're gonna put an oil-based cleanser on. So this is our LUMINOUS. I already put it on, and you work it in and massage into your face for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. So I already did that. You can see it's on my face here. That's why my face is a little bit shiny. And then you're gonna wipe off with a warm, wet washcloth. All right, and that's it. And that is the pore blasting routine. So I wiped off all of the LUMINOUS, and because it's like an oil-based cleanser, your skin does not feel tight right now, but you follow with the rest of your skincare routine for sure. But I always love how my skin feels and looks after I do that, and it's definitely necessary this time of year, or do it whenever you feel like you need it. It's great just to get all the gunk off your face.